Ready to dive into the Solana ecosystem, but your Phantom wallet is empty? First, if you already have Sol in another wallet or on an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, the easiest method is to transfer it directly open your Phantom wallet. Find and click on your Sol balance to access your dedicated Solana deposit address. Now tap the deposit button. A QR code and your wallet address will appear. Copy this address. Next, head over to your exchange or other wallet and initiate a SL withdrawal. Paste the Phantom wallet address you just copied into the recipient address field. Double check that the address is correct. Incorrect addresses will result in permanent losses. Confirm the withdrawal. The transfer time may vary depending on the network congestion, but typically takes a few minutes. Don't have any Sol yet? No problem. Many on-ramp services allow you to buy SOL directly with fiat currency like USD or using a credit or debit card. Open your Phantom wallet. This time click the buy button. Phantom integrates with several on-ramp partners like MoonPay, Coinbase Pay, and more. Select your preferred partner. Follow their on-screen instructions to purchase Sol using your card. And that's it. Once the transaction is confirmed, your Sol will appear in your Phantom wallet, ready for you to explore the exciting world of Solana. Start exploring dApps, NFTs, and everything else the Solana ecosystem has to offer.